Dynamics 365 Business Central is a cloud-based ERP system managed by Microsoft. It's becoming very popular. It's a popular replacement for Dynamics GP. So which company should consider replacing Dynamics GP with Dynamics 365 Business Central? Let's take a look. The companies we see making the change from Dynamics GP to BC are organizations that have a cloud strategy, also are adapting a data transformation. They may be on lapse support with their product with Microsoft, and they're also experiencing some organizational change or growth. Moving to Dynamics 365 Business Central from Dynamics GP is an obvious solution for organizations that are implementing a corporate cloud strategy. Business Central allows them to move their ERP functionality that's currently on premises and move that to the cloud. A number of organizations have already moved part of their IT infrastructure into the cloud. Moving the ERP system is a large project, but can easily be done with Business Central. Also, we see organizations that are undertaking a digital transformation. They want to get rid of all the paper that's in their organization and move it to the cloud and digitize it. With Business Central, this becomes an easier task to do. Business Central is set up to work with other external systems that allow digital processing of accounts payable invoices, for example, and there are others too. It's just easier to use Business Central in the cloud and undertake that digital transformation. And here's a big one. A lot of organizations that use Dynamics GP on premises are on older versions. A lot of the older versions of Dynamics GP have already passed mainstream support and may even be past the extended support offered by Microsoft. This can be dangerous for organizations that want to have up-to-date systems or facing compliance issues or security issues. If they're beyond extended support with Microsoft, they're not going to get those for their Dynamics GP system. Also, many organizations that have been using Dynamics GP on premises for years are seeing changes in their business, in their organization. They want to expand. They may want to add additional business lines. And to do that, it kind of makes sense to move to a more modern system where that's easy to do. And Business Central is one of those systems. So what we're seeing in the marketplace is that Dynamics GP customers who've been on Dynamics GP for a long time are considering a move to Business Central for these reasons. They're adopting an organizational cloud strategy. Part of that is a digital transformation, or they may be lapsed on their support. Their GP system has gone beyond the support offered by Microsoft. And a lot of clients are just experiencing organizational change and growth.